What's good, YouTube? Mr. Cashflow back today with another video. If you want to get approved for the highest limits in the shortest amount of time possible, you need to add trade lines to your credit report. If you don't have trade lines on your credit report, you're going to get approved for the lowest limits. You're going to have to spend 6 months, 12 months building out your credit before they start giving you any type of credit limits over 500. Once you build your CPN, or once you have your credit repaired, then what you want to do is add trade lines to your credit report. So this is a website that you can go to get trade lines to your credit report. And the way that you evaluate trade lines is simply by doing this. So you go to the site. They normally have last chance trade lines. So if you're in like the middle of the month, you might be able to get some of these. So we have Chase 3K for 240. Choose whatever trade line you want to get. When adding trade lines, the two things that you want to focus on is the years and the limit. Everything else really doesn't matter. This number right here is what day that the trade line closes. So trade lines normally post to your credit report about 7 days after this date. So don't think that the next day is going to be on your credit report. That's not how it works. It takes a few days for it to report and post. If you want access to our group trade lines, if you want to become your own vendor, we do have a class on how to become your own trade line vendor, how to become the actual credit plug. So everything about credit repair, CPNs. If you want to learn about that stuff, you can tap into our mentorship class. You can message me on Telegram or Instagram for the link in that. This is the Telegram group. You can join it in the link in the description. But aside from that, right, you can come here, get these trade lines. Most of those trade lines are going to be sold out, but what you really want to focus on is trade lines that's over 5 years. If you have a trade line that has a few months age, has a good credit limit on it, you can add that to get an apartment. If you want to go get funding, then you can't just have a trade line. One trade line on your credit report is not getting approved. So you want to structure your credit report to have multiple different primaries on there and then add authorized user trade lines on there to boost your score and to give you a higher credit limit. The best place to go really is here. This is our Telegram group chat where we have access to literally everything. So the best trade lines you can possibly get, we get those for the best prices. If you want to become a data furnisher, we can be able to teach you how to post your own trade lines to your client's credit report. We just opened this Telegram group to the public, and what we do is we post trade lines to people's credit reports. We do credit repair. We also teach you everything that you need to do. So it doesn't matter how you learn. There's something in our group that you can learn from to be able to take your life to the next level. You can be able to learn credit. You can be able to learn credit repair. You can be able to learn how to be a trade line plug. Each and every single one of these items can make you $10,000 a month. The link is in the description to join. Without further ado, it's been Mr. Cashflow, and we out. One love.